Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. KK channel. In Cloud Service Provider, today we are going to see cloud models. So here not only a particular mode, here we have a private cloud to solely public cloud. So we can have numerous variations in between. This range can be anything. We can have the any range of combinations mode where this IBM cloud provider people are offering to the customer or the user. So if they provide any particular resources and we customer or the user want to customize that particular resources by combining the private and public or particular public or particularly private. So what kind of combinations you want to provide, that will be managed by the own IT staff company and we can have as we wish. So this company, what they will do na, pay as you go pricing. So all again and again and again, I told you, whenever we start the cloud computing, they explain about pay as you go pricing. Whatever you are using for that particular alone, we can pay. No need to pay extra all. That is the thing they are saying here. Here, whatever the resources provided by the IBM only hosted and they are managing. So IBM only solely hosted and managing. Okay. So not only that, if you want to have any of the private cloud like VPN, virtual local area network, so such kind of any planning and consultations throughout the development process. So such kind of plan also offered by the IBM. Okay, so here mainly they are giving the mobile software. 5 different cloud providers. This is very important. In MCQ also they will ask you how many different kind of model IBM offer. So IBM offer 5 different model. So what are they? What are the provision model? Private. Private means we know that they are owned and operated by the customer. And then number 2, what is the second different model? Private cloud owned by customer, but that will be operated by IBM only. The cloud provider only they will operate. This is another kind of cloud provision. The third one is private, owned and operated by IBM or another provider also. So another provider can also activate or control their private cloud. That is third category. Fourth category is virtual private cloud services. So here based on the more than one user or customer support for any particular enterprises, they will have a virtual private cloud services. So this is another kind of different cloud model they are providing. IBM is providing. And the last one, what IBM cloud provision model is public cloud services. So we know what is meant by public cloud services. So that is provided by the IBM to execute n number of functions to individuals. So apart from this, the majority of the cloud users, what we are doing now, we mostly go for the hybrid cloud model. Hybrid means we know that combinations of public and private or some other combinations we will have. So such kind of combinations also we can have, and plus security. So whenever we prefer the private or public, private will give the more security offering. Whomever it is, either it is a IBM cloud provider or other cloud provider, they will provide the too high security when our mode of executions is private. Okay, so here not only that, these people are offering. So here we are learning till now IBM offers. What are all the IBM cloud provider are offering? So the IBM cloud provider, they are offering us workload deployer, cloud burst as ready to deploy cloud in box style solution. So what is the meaning of this is it's nothing but they will offer one of the private cloud. One private cloud will be there. In the private cloud, what do you want to do? You want to execute any particular framework or environment which you kept ready. and you want to deploy it in the private cloud. So that is ready to deploy. That is the thing they are saying here, ready to deploy. Okay, that model can be in any different style, box style or any other style. So that offer also this IBM is giving to the user. Okay, not only that, they are giving the various servers, middleware, virtualization. So various virtual machines they are providing. Who is providing? IBM is providing. And therefore the user or the customer can make use of this deployer, and they can connect it to various server which is existing already, and they can have connections with the middleware and the virtualization component, so that they can develop and deploy and execute their virtual machines, which is designed by IBM only. We are talking about the IBM cloud provider only. That's why we are talking about the different cloud provisions model. What are all offering? IBM is offering. That is the thing the slide is explaining. Okay. So here not only that, suppose the customer want to have their own interactions. They want to have their own private cloud. And what this IBM will offer for the particular choices. Now they will offer what kind of choices you want. Either it may be hardware or software, any architectures the customer want to customize. Now that also IBM offer. Okay, so not only that, the customer can choose any kind of virtualizations. Any servers we can enable them. Virtual server, middleware server. So anything, any applications. So till this, what they are saying na, what the IBM is offering, what kind of client can prefer the mode. That is the thing they are explaining till this slide.